Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. Okay, so I told you in the last class that we will do this in like aliens. Okay, so what I'll do is I will filter. From it, that's good, and say copy and do this something here. Okay, so what I'll do is we can do it in many ways. We will have two pipes. Yeah, two pipes. This let's say this is the men toilet, ladies toilet. So we will have a pump pipe slope down minus 300 looks good. We start here and then we go there. Okay, this is one pipe, and then we have the other pipe which is something like that. Okay, slope down. Okay, so the pipe is going down. Now what we will do is, how do you want the pipe to go? You like it? Okay, we are going this way, right? So we would like it to go. Okay, I'll show you what to do. Create similar inherit elevation slope up 135. I don't know where this one's output. Okay, it's here. Similar, right? Create similar. Nope. Up doesn't matter. Just draw it. Don't worry. We will fix it. And similar animation. Okay. No, no, no. We don't need so much. So just be careful. Create similar inhale elevation. Okay. So same story other end. Because it's too close to the end, he's making headache. Okay. Yes. Now what we will do is we would like this to connect. Let's say connect into sanitary. This one. Good. Same story. Connect into sanitary. This one. He has done the bend everything. If you're not happy with this, okay, we will fix it. Don't worry. What we need to do is we need to draw one section view this way, and then one section view this way. If the section head is too big, reduce the scale. Okay, right side create similar. Go to view, draw a pipe. Okay, and then we need to draw. That's the pipe which is coming. So we have to go to the other view, which is this way. Go to view, draw a pipe. One minute. Okay. This is better, right? Same story. Okay. What we can do is actually otherwise just draw a pipe minus 300, you said, right? Just apply and then come 135. We will come to the elevation later. Okay, 1 minute. What we can do is, I will just draw a line here. So I get the position. This would have been a better section than that one because I don't get that section here. A pipe. Okay, doesn't matter. We'll learn from that. Okay, so hope everybody enjoyed this class. We didn't get connected. Perfect. Okay, so hope everybody enjoyed this class, and we will see each other in the next class. What we can do is actually from here we can go draw a pipe and go down, let's say minus 900 or something. Okay, so then look better. Okay, and then if we have top floors, we can add a Y branch like this, sorry T, and we can keep going up. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful alienish class, small one, and yeah, we will see each other in the next class.